What's Gary Bond YouTube? It's your boy Ozzy back here with the charger again. Baby Hemi, my RT ski. We about to change the spoiler. The spoiler about to come off. I got this little Hellcat type spoiler. You feel me? Boom, as you can see, this is the Hellcat type spoiler. It's gonna fit right on the back of there. I'm gonna show y'all how to put on the new spoiler. You're gonna need some simple molding tools, black adhesive sealant, like a silicone sealant. I got the black one because this was black, so I was like, why not? But you should probably get the clear one. If I were you, get the clear one. Next up, some 3M molding tape, super strength. There's probably other ones too you can get, but this is the one I seen. Some plugs, because you gotta plug up some holes. Here's some silicone plugs I got off of Amazon. A drill with a 1/4 drill bit. Vroom, looking at it. This is just my case. Yeah, here's a drill bit that I got from Warrior. Shout out Harbor Freight. And you're gonna need T20, T20, yeah, T20 star bit to take out for the headliner. All right, so I'm done. So for this one, you're gonna need just a screwdriver, like a little, I think a Phillips 10 screwdriver. I don't know what it's called, but after being an idiot for a little bit, he took these out. Regular star bit. That's it. Just a little start. So gotta take those clips out. I don't know if it's gonna show. Is it showing? Clip here. There's a clip there. Pull those out. Oh, and this one. These 4 clips down there to take the headliner out. And then boomski. So all right, clips are out. I put them in order. So these are the 2 in the front. Those are the 3 on the back. This one gave me the hardest, toughest problem, but yeah, I pried it off with this tool. And now this should be able to just slide on out, I think. As you can see, headliner is off, and now it's just bareback. Low-key kind of cool this way, but all right. So now, as you can see, those are the 2. Cause you gotta get out, and then I think that one as well. Wait, not that one. Oh, slow down, gang. That one. Like I said again, those 2, that one, and that one gotta come out. I lied like crazy. It's just these 2. This and this are what gotta come out. Then we gotta drill a hole in there in the middle for the actual Hellcat spoiler, and then just pry these 2 off. Or pry these end ones off. So yeah, let me do that. Let me get to it real. Okay, right now I'm battling this wasp that keeps coming around, but look, you're gonna pry this under here. Hopefully that you can see that, but I'm gonna try to get this all the way around, and it should pop this junk open, but again, give me a second. I only got one hand, so this was easier than I thought. Really, you just gotta force this under all around the side, and then just pry this junk off like a man. Simple. Hey, if you want these parts, I will be selling them. Simple. But yeah, you just pry it off, and then look, you just got the residue. I'm gonna clean this off a little bit, and then get some Goo Gone, and then take the little lining thing off, just so it could be a clean surface. See, that's the wasp. There goes the wasp. Wait, oh snap, no. And that wasp, I've been finding that wasp this whole time, bro. No, he's still here. Oh my gosh, bro, please spare me, bro. I actually want to, should I murk him? Should I smoke him right now? Nah, I might actually kill him. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. He messing with there's 2 of them. He got a man's. Oh, hold on, bro. Quick little fit check, you feel me? Hanes white tee, black Adidas snap pants. Whoa, what's that? Sambezi's long tongue? No Wales bonded though. Use glue gun. I did not use no glue gun. I just took a piece and I just kept raking till I kept raking and pulling at the same time on my other hand till it got off. And now I'm gonna just clean the surface a little bit. And you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. I'm not gonna show you on here because I already showed you for this side, bro. Come on, bro. Okay, not gonna lie, this side was definitely harder than that other side. I don't know what it was, But this side definitely, this one was harder, man. This looks dirtier, okay. But I'm not probably actually use Google on this and then take that out and then boom boom. I feel like I'm wasting too much time, but like, hey, boom. So in the meantime, while I'm fixing this off screen, in the meantime, we're gonna be knocking out those little clips in there. We'll be taking these out. All you need for real is just a wrench or ratchet. I think it's a ratchet, and then a 10 millimeter, and you're just gonna righty tight, lefty loosey, and then boom, it'll come out. So hello. Okay, but yeah, you're just gonna go in there. It'll come on out. So boom, watch this. Okay, as you can see, got both these little nets out. My hands dirty. Like, look at that. I should wear gloves, but man, whatever. But yeah, we got those out. Soon enough, finna pry this wing off, and then boom. As you can see, I probably just need to buff it out a little bit, clean it with some compound. But look, I got a bunch of the residue off. Same with this side. Boom, boom, boom. All you gotta do is put the little silicone and put the little plugs in there, and then boom, it'll be locked and sealed. Okay, after a little bit of prying, a little bit of elbow grease, you feel me? We done got it off. Look at the junk sticking like it's venom, bro. I just said no, you can't leave. But yeah, I just had to pop this off out of that little area. Same with that one. I'm gonna take that clip out. Then I'm gonna clean this little surface, and then boom, it's gonna be fresh. And then you're gonna have to drill a hole dead center in that middle right there, and then Hellcat spoiler will be installed. Simple. I can't lie though, this Gugon, this junk been carrying. Oh my goodness, like you spray that Gugon in between the thing and just let it sit for a little bit, you're gonna eat it. It's gonna be, I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but it's gonna eat it up and just like solve all your problems. Check this out, man. That Gugon, man. Look at that. Here's the leftover residue, but look. And I'm using the molding tool now. The junk just wipe off now at this point. You just gotta keep attacking it like that. Yeah, that junk nasty. Okay, so clearly I done forgot a step. I was wondering why this was still there, like this little hole. You're supposed to take out this little side clip. You're supposed to take out this little side clip that goes in like so, like that. I just pried it off with my hand and it came out. So you gotta do the same thing for the other side, and then it'll take out this clip. That's why I was wondering why am I struggling? I was wondering why I was struggling to get the thing off, that part of the spoiler off. It's just I forgot that step, but you're welcome. Okay, now I'm kind of at a dilemma. I done ran out of tape. I gotta go get more tape, and this doesn't even line up. It didn't even line up with this one. So this I have to make a whole new hole for. Obviously, I have to make a hole for that, and then a whole new hole for that. So I'm gonna line these up and mark them, and then I'm gonna drill the holes, I guess, and then I'm gonna finish it up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, new location, but look, as you can see, hold up. Long. Boom, got the whole wing on there. That don't look sweet, don't it? Side view. Yeah. Carla's way looks much nicer now. Smooth. I'm about to go get me something to eat. Maybe like some pizza or something. Playboy party dropping tomorrow. It's about to be a great day. Y'all have a good one. I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna just catch y'all in the next one, man.